Want to make felt installation safer, easier, and quicker? Valmet has developed seamed felts suitable for all grades of pulp and paper, board and tissue, and in all press positions. Installing a felt is much easier than installing an endless felt. Seamed felts let customers benefit from safe installation and easy seaming. Overall costs fall, as less labor is needed to install the felt and the stoppages are relatively short. Valmet seamed press felts offer excellent runnability, good water removal, and a strong non-marking seamed area. We have a wide variety of seamed press felts from light, dense, very smooth surface felts to heavy, open, and coarse, with high void volume to fit all customer requirements. Our special Valmet press felt SMO offers consistent performance and excellent sheet properties throughout its long lifetime. Manufacturing seamed felts is a meticulous job, and there is a lot of laboratory work behind the scenes. Among other things, we analyze used felts to further improve the performance of the next one. Contact our specialists to learn more about our press felts and related services. Quality never goes out of fashion.